What if I told you that humanity has spent trillions of dollars, not on wars, but on building dreams? From futuristic cities rising out of the desert to space stations silently orbiting our planet, these aren't just expensive constructions. They're mega projects that completely redefine what we believe is possible. Today, we're diving into the most expensive, most ambitious projects ever attempted by humankind. Our first stop isn't even on Earth. The most expensive single structure humans have ever created is the International Space Station, with a price tag exceeding $150 billion. Think about that for a second. This massive laboratory was built piece by piece, with 15 different nations collaborating. Every single bolt, every solar panel, had to be launched into orbit, making even a simple screw worth thousands of dollars. It orbits our planet every 90 minutes, serving as a powerful symbol that global cooperation can literally rise above our borders. It's not just a science lab, it's a beacon of unity in the vastness of space. Back on solid ground, a vision of the future is taking shape in the Saudi Arabian desert. It's called NEOM, and its estimated cost is a staggering $500 billion, making it one of the most ambitious ventures in history. This isn't just a new city, it's an attempt to reinvent urban living. Powered entirely by clean energy, managed by advanced AI, and featuring radical designs like the Line, a 170-kilometer-long linear city. NEOM is a bold statement about where civilization could be headed. It's a live experiment in building a sustainable, tech-driven society from the ground up. Now, let's go from the wide-open desert to the bustling heart of London. Hidden beneath the city streets lies one of Europe's most expensive infrastructure projects, Crossrail, now known as the Elizabeth Line, costing over $23 billion. This massive railway required engineers to tunnel under historic buildings, navigate ancient riverbeds, and work around centuries-old foundations. It was a surgical operation on a massive scale, proving that sometimes the most impressive and costly projects are the ones you can't even see. It's a modern marvel hidden right under our feet. From underground to out on the water, let's head to Dubai. What do you do when you run out of coastline? You build your own. Dubai's Palm Islands, costing over $12 billion, did just that. Using millions of tons of sand dredged from the sea and rock from nearby mountains, developers created artificial archipelagos shaped like palm trees. These islands are so large they are visible from space, transforming the very geography of the coastline. It was a project that turned sheer imagination into a physical, habitable reality, redefining luxury and architectural ambition for the world. Finally, we visit a project of immense power and controversy, China's Three Gorges Dam. As the world's largest power station, it came with a price tag of over $30 billion. It generates an incredible amount of renewable energy, equivalent to dozens of power plants, and was designed to control catastrophic flooding. However, its construction came at a huge human and environmental cost, displacing over 1 million people and altering the river's ecosystem forever. It stands as a powerful reminder that mega-projects always carry massive consequences, forcing us to weigh progress against its price. So, from space stations to desert cities, these mega-projects reveal humanity's deepest desire to build, to innovate, and to overcome our limits. But they also force us to ask an important question: are these structures monuments to our progress, or are they simply mirrors reflecting our boundless ambition? What do you think? If you found this fascinating, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into history, technology, and the future. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments which one of these mega projects impressed you the most. Thanks for watching.